In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your files in Google Drive, whether you're new to Google Drive or just looking for a refresher. Today's guide will walk you through the processes of selecting and managing your files with ease. Let's dive in and make sure you're getting the most out of Google Drive. First things first, you need to open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your Google account. This will open up the main Google Drive interface where you can see all your files and folders neatly organized. If you're handling multiple accounts, make sure you're accessing the right one to manage the relevant files. Now, once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the folder where your files are stored. This is straightforward. Just click on the respective folder and it will open up to display its contents. Keep in mind that organizing your files into folders can greatly increase your efficiency when using Google Drive, so consider setting up a folder structure that makes sense for the way you work. When it comes to selecting specific files that aren't next to each other, there's a handy trick. For those using Windows, you'll want to hold down the Control key. If you're on a Mac, use the Command key instead. With the key held down, you can click on each file you want to select. You'll notice that each file you click on will turn blue, indicating that it's been selected. This is a great way to select non-continuous files without having to move them around. If you need to select a continuous series of files, here's what you do. Click the first file in the range you want to select. Next, hold down the Shift key and then click on the last file in your desired range. You'll see that all files between the first and last get selected automatically. This method is particularly useful when you want to manage batches of files swiftly. Once you've selected your files, there are several actions you can take. Right-click on the group of selected files and you'll see a menu of options available to you. You might want to download your files to your computer for offline access, share them with colleagues or friends, or organize them by moving them to a different folder. Alternatively, if you no longer need them, you can delete them to free up some storage space. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of selecting and managing files in Google Drive. With these steps, you'll be able to handle your files more effectively, ensuring a smooth and organized experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.